You, and you have to answer these questions at 10-year-old. So,
Gotcha.
would you rather meet your dream actress at 10 years old or collab with your favorite rapper, bro? Man, you have to think about this, bro.
Hey, at 10, bro, give me the shorties, bro.
What?
At 10? Bro, at 10, what
Who's
do you
the
mean?
shore? These are not my views.
Who's the shore?
Again, mom.
Who's the shore?
I know you'll be watching. Please.
Who? No, there are so many, bro. I have
Hey,
to pick one.
if you ever watch this, it's taking so long.
I bet.
Me, I already know who you are.
Who's the shore?
Zendaya, yo, him.
Hey, isn't there? What are we doing? You know what I'm saying?
Not the way you did it in that movie, Challengers. Just
Kuna reverse call America,
Bro,
The feeling's great. The sex is great. The weed is great. Of course, full space if any breaks. The time I dedicate to my shit is like I constipate. Excuse my French, kiss my ass. The bitch is bad, the head is great. The best to me, they gravitate. Every day I scream for the government. I'm feeling gay, I'd fuck you, man. Maybe I'm a lesbian. Still can't complain. First time I touched the bearing, I was love at first mind. First time I performed, that shit felt just right. First time I fucked a celebrity, it was a celebration, like I made it in life. She was like, it was alright. I'm too self-aware to put up a fight. She came back the very next night. We outside. Sometimes you gotta disrespect a bitch to show her that you love her. The proof is in the pudding. I had a taste when I was undercover. You wouldn't know you treat her like a brother. Oh, brother. Konguni, Boga West, Kuma 2. We can got the keys. Wameanza kunita Swiss beats. Unatafuta bibi katikati ya misa. Waliokuwa wako huko ndani miwa. Kumbe basi anawakulia sadaka kama subscription nailipia. Squeeze shetani ndio ako kanisa. Litoa comes kwa dias. Drika bado tetwa bread. We lonely. Chapa vizia kacha kwa lele. Ka Teddy nilicheza na Bean. Akani recommend to her best friend. Li chapa kamkisi. Say wamekujia seconds kutoka Thika Polytechnic. Juu shtikia rege. Yeah.